So here's the culprit right here. This was where the pack of crayons were left in the zippered pocket, sealed up, and the dryer just completely melted this stuff up, and it got all over all the laundry. Some of the stuff got hit really bad, some of it a little bit here and there. But today we're going to try and fix that. And that's where I came across my research on this Lestoil. Now this says for stains, use full strength. So we went ahead, we got a spray bottle. We're gonna pre-treat this before we put it in the wash. There was some stuff that was worn once in this laundry, and it's kind of, it kind of hurts a little bit. So we're gonna start with this and just saturating it, pre-soaking it, and then doing a little bit of scrubbing with this soft bristle brush, see what we can do. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the laundry and see if this gets it out. My goal is to get it done in one shot. Everything I've seen online, it seems like a multiple wash process. Also adding dish soap into a washer, which I don't want to do. I just don't want to have like a, you know, Mr. Mom moment where soap suds are just blowing up out of the washer, and I don't want a bigger issue than what we already have. So we're going to try this approach, and hopefully it works out, and then I can share it with you. Everything I use, I'm going to try to link down below in the description, so you guys can get ahead and get that yourselves. It's no extra cost to you, but it does help us out, so we do appreciate that. More importantly, you guys can address this and get rid of the stressful situation. So without further ado, let's dive in. So like we said, we're gonna pre-treat this, and we're just gonna saturate the spots that have the crayon melted onto it, and then come back with that soft bristle toothbrush just to work the material in and see if we can remove any of the built up wax. But by watching this, you can actually see we have material of all different kinds. We have some just pure cottons, as well as some of the dry fit material, and some of the more higher end blends. So it's really good test to see what goes into taking out these stains on all different types of material. Now, out of all of these pieces, I wanted to feature three specifically. It was that Alex Morgan jersey, which is a dry fit, that Adidas hoodie, which is all cotton, and these pants here, which are a brand, it's called Lululemon, which my wife wasn't too happy about when she found out they were ruined, but I wanted to see how this cleaning material would affect each of them. So now that we got everything pre-sprayed and soaked and a little bit of scrubbing, we are ready to put this in the laundry. So it's off to the laundry room. All right, moment of truth. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to add a little bit of laundry detergent, not much because it's got so much soap already, and this is just what we use at Costco, no specific thing, but here's one thing we're going to add to it, and it's the Shout Color Catcher. It wasn't in the blog, but I use this all the time because, well, I'm lazy and I don't separate colors from whites, and this stuff surprisingly will catch a lot of stains and everything and keep your clothes looking the way they should. So I'm just going to add this to it just in case the crayon colorants start bleeding out. Hopefully this thing grabs it rather than getting into some of the whites that are in this load of laundry. So we're going to go ahead and add that. Okay, so we're gonna hit on. Now we are going to turn it to heavy duty just because, and it's already set on hot. I don't like to wash on hot, but it says to wash it at the hottest temperature that you can. So fingers crossed. There she goes. All right, laundry is done. Let's see what we got. Let's look at the, ooh, right off the bat. Here it is. Moment of truth. Not bad. Not bad at all. Got a little bit. That's it. That's all that's left on it. This is actually part of the design, so well, we got a little bit of blue there still. Not horrible. Where's the wife's Lululemon? Looks like it completely came out of these. Success. Mostly. This is that all white. This would really show it. Wow. A little bit. Maybe that's the spot we missed. But really, from what this was before, pretty much, wow. Again, maybe a spot missed there. But all in all, pretty darn good. Okay, so this actually absolutely worked great. It did take a couple of washes on some of the clothing, but most of it came out in the first one. It seems like the blues and a little bit of the reds were the ones that held on the most, especially the blues. But after a second go around, we were able to clear up those spots that we missed with just adding a little bit more list, a little bit more scrub, and then running it through the process again. But I wanted to circle back to the color catcher. This is what they look like when we first threw it in, all right? Now check out the color change after that. So I do feel like this did help out with the whole situation. Even though it wasn't listed in the blog that I had read, I thought that this would grab some of the colors, but I had no idea that it would actually turn almost to a dark gray from that pure white. So that's something I would definitely add to your system. So if you found this video helpful, please leave us a thumbs up and a comment below on how it helped out in your situation, as well as we'd really love to earn your subscription, as it really does help us out as a channel, and it really is cool to see things grow and continues to support us so we can make videos like this going forward. That being said, if you have any other issues around the house or simple laundry issues like this, we do have more videos in their playlist below, or just check out the whole video library. But until next time, thanks for buzzing by, and you take care.